on, guys? It's Adam here and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and looking at the iPad mini 6, Apple Pencil Gen 2, as well as a Smart Folio Case to see how good it is for daily tasks, student life, and much more. So with that all being said, let's get right into the unboxing and first impressions. So right away we're going to jump right into the packaging, and of course it's as beautiful as ever. There's always a nice thing about Apple products and that nice plastic sound. Maybe it's because you spent all your money and now you get to unbox something, but something about it is just nice every single time. We can finally reveal the brand new iPad mini wrapped in this nice frosted plastic. What used to be only with MacBooks now comes with almost every Apple product. So, setting this to the side, we're going to take a look at what comes inside the box, and ladies and gentlemen, a charging brick and a cable. I know, who would have thought a charging brick is such a commodity nowadays, but for this, it is nice. Also note that the cable is USB Type-C to USB Type-C, because on the iPad it is a USB Type-C cable, not a lightning cable, so that is also a nice quote-unquote pro touch. Not only that, but you do get some Apple stickers as well that are larger than the ones that you get with the iPhone. And other than that, that is everything that you get with this box. Now going to the iPad, which is what everybody wants to do. Lifting the tablet from the back and the bottom, we can finally reveal the iPad and its shiny screen, which is the cleanest it'll ever be, and it'll never be that clean again. We actually get a quick preview of the Touch ID sensor, a little small bit of the USB Type-C port down at the bottom, and 4 speaker outlets. However, there only are 2 speakers. Also take note of the volume buttons, which are at the top of the iPad mini. We'll get to that in the first impressions. But other than that, let's move on to the Smart Folio. And once we pop this off, we can easily pull the entire thing out, take it out of the box. It was actually a little bit difficult to take out because the packaging in there is like this really light, thin paper that goes around and acts just like an actual, the iPad would. It's like any other silicone cover for your case, suede, microfiber. Now here is the huge talk, the $130 Apple Pencil Gen 2. Now I did have the original Gen 1 iPad with my 9.7-inch iPad Pro from many years ago at this point. It's actually really nice to use this new pencil, and I actually might make an entire video separate on it because it is actually cool, and I think it deserves its own video in its own right. Anyways, taking that out of the box, we can actually lift it up, and then we are presented with some paperwork, which no one likes to read, and this nicely wrapped Apple Pencil Gen 2. It's very nice, and after that it's this nice white matte material, which possibly could get dirty, but don't worry, a Dbrand skin can get you covered. Also, as well as the iPad, can also get you covered as well. A link will be down below. I don't get sponsored, don't worry. And time to set up the iPad mini, which I will set up off camera for the full review. But other than that, we take a look at the first impressions. The screen is really nice. It is a small tablet, don't get me wrong. It's about 2.5 iPhone 12 Pro Maxes. It's also really nice. As you can see, it has a bottom USB-C port, and then it also has the Touch ID sensor, which you can actually see my thumbprint from using it already for the past 2 days. And then you have the quick connector for your Apple Pencil. And other than that, I mean, small form factor. It is snappy, and it also has a pretty cool camera, which you get a hint at as the back. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below in the full review, because I'd be more than happy to answer any questions, concerns, or comments that you just have about the iPad mini 6, because so far, just taking it out of the box, it's a really, really cool machine. But with that all being said, leave your comments down below. I'll make sure to answer them all in the full review. If you did enjoy the quick video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you really did enjoy it, then make sure to subscribe. That way you never miss out on another video. And make sure you hit the bell so that way you don't miss out on the full review. With that all being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.